What's up, everyone? Today we are talking about something crazy. Did you know there are actually countries that will pay you to move there? That's right, free money just for relocating. Alright, let's kick things off with the first amazing opportunity on our list today. You're not going to believe what this country is offering, and that country is Chile. This one's perfect if you've got an entrepreneurial spirit. Chile has this amazing program called Startup Chile, and it's absolutely insane what they're offering. They've got 3 different programs. First up is their Build program, where they'll give you about $14,000 and a 1-year visa just to launch your business there. But wait, it gets better. Their Ignite program offers $30,000, and if you really impress them, they might double it. And for the bigger players, their Growth program dishes out a whopping $100,000. Moving on to number 2, Italy. And guys, this one's absolutely wild. There's this beautiful town called Candela that's literally throwing money at people to move there. We're talking $870 if you're single, and get this, over $2,000 if you're moving with your family. But here's the catch. You need to have a job, become a permanent resident, and buy an older house. Speaking of Italy, there's this town in Sicily that's selling houses for €1. I'm not kidding. Sure, you'll need to renovate it, but you're getting a house in Sicily for basically nothing. Number 3 on our list is Denmark. Now, they're doing things a bit differently. While they won't hand you cash directly, they're offering something that might be even better. We're talking free healthcare, free education, and amazing support for digital nomads and entrepreneurs. Plus, it's literally one of the happiest countries in the world. Moving to number 4, Ireland. If you've got a startup idea, listen up. Through their Enterprise Ireland program, they're giving out thousands of euros in funding and tax credits. Plus, you get access to the entire European market. Number 5 is Switzerland. Specifically, this gorgeous town called Albanen. They're offering $25,000 to move there, plus an extra $10,000 per child. The catch? You need to be under 45 and stay for at least 10 years. But come on, it's Switzerland. For number 6, we've got a 3-for-1 deal with Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam. These countries will literally give you a job teaching English. Plus, the cost of living is super low, and the food is amazing. Number 7 is Mauritius. Ever dreamed of living on a tropical island? Well, they're offering around $440 to entrepreneurs who move their business there. Not huge money, but free healthcare and perfect weather? Sign me up. Coming in at number 8, Spain. The Ponga villages will pay young couples over 3,000 euros to move there. And get this, they'll give you another 3,000 euros for each child. Plus, you get to live the Spanish lifestyle with afternoon siestas. And finally, number 9, New Zealand. While they're not giving out straight cash, they're offering land and housing packages for just $165,000 in Kaitangata. That's crazy cheap for New Zealand. Plus, you get to live where they filmed Lord of the Rings. Before you start packing your bags, here's what you need to know. Make sure to research thoroughly because these programs change all the time. Check visa requirements, calculate moving costs, and think about language barriers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to destroy that like button and hit subscribe. Drop a comment below telling me which country you'd move to.